Hey guys, Mr. Gran here, lesson 3.5, symmetry. In this video, we will be talking about reflectional symmetry. So, reflectional symmetry means when a figure can be reflected onto itself, meaning that when you reflect it, it doesn't change. Now, when something has reflectional symmetry, it has at least one line of symmetry, right? The lines of symmetry are the lines that it can be reflected over, right? This is the number of ways, another way to think of it is the number of ways that this can be cut into an identical half, and that might make more sense when we see some examples. It's also the number of ways, how many ways it has reflectional symmetry is how many lines of symmetry it has. All right, so determining if it has reflectional symmetry, and if so, how many lines? Well, our rectangle here, that has two lines of symmetry because I could take this and it splits it into two even halves, right? Like this side is identical to this side. I could also flip this over this line and the shape would remain unchanged. I can also split it this way. So this is a yes, and it has two lines of symmetry. Our trapezoid over here, this one only has one. I can split it this way, but if I try to split it this way, well, the bottom half is going to be wider than the top half, so it can't have reflectional symmetry vertically, but it can have it over the horizontal line, or over the vertical line, which would be a horizontal reflection. So this is yes, and but there's only one line of symmetry. All right, our next couple of shapes. Now we've got the our square sign, or our diamond-shaped sign for two-way traffic. Now, there is some symmetry here, but it is not reflectional symmetry, right? The overall shape, if we ignore the stuff in the middle, has reflectional symmetry. But if we've got this stuff in the middle here, if I try to cut this down the middle, well, now if I reflect it, now this side is going to be, the down arrow is going to be over here, the up arrow is going to be over here. We changed it, right? It's not the same. This half is different than this half. So this one is a no. With our hexagon, right, it's got a lot of lines of symmetry. I can split it like that. I could split it through the middle of these two sides. I could split it through the middle of these two sides. But I'm not quite done because I can also split it by its vertices. So I can go corner to corner, and that half are now the same. I can go corner to corner this way. I can go corner to corner this way. So how many total lines did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total lines. So this one is a yes. And there are 6 lines of symmetry.